Welcome to this complete Istanbul, Turkey travel guide. Imagine a city where East meets West, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with the pulse of modern life. Welcome to Istanbul, a city that's as diverse as the spices in its famous bazaars. With a history that spans over 2,000 years, Istanbul's vibrant culture is a rich tapestry of Roman, Byzantine and Ottoman influences. From majestic mosques to bustling bazaars, Istanbul promises an adventure like no other. So buckle up as we count down the top 10 must-visit places in Istanbul. Starting at number 10, we have the majestic Hagia Sophia. This architectural marvel is a symbol of Istanbul's rich history, serving as an Orthodox cathedral, a mosque and now a museum, all within a span of 15 centuries. Its name, meaning holy wisdom, is a testament to its significance in the Byzantine and Ottoman empires. The Hagia Sophia is famed for its breathtaking dome, standing at an impressive 180 feet high. It's a testament to the architectural prowess of the Byzantine era. Inside, you'll find a fusion of Christian mosaics and Islamic calligraphy, a beautiful representation of the city's diverse cultural history. One can't help but marvel at the massive medallions scripted with Arabic calligraphy, the grand chandeliers and the beautifully preserved mosaics depicting Christian imagery. And here's a fun fact. The echo inside the Hagia Sophia lasts for a whole 8 seconds. A visit to Istanbul is incomplete without stepping into the Grand Hagia Sophia. Coming in at number 9, we have the iconic Blue Mosque, also known as Sultanahmet Mosque. This majestic structure, with its 6 towering minarets, is a testament to the grandeur of Ottoman architecture. Built in the early 17th century during the rule of Sultan Ahmed I, the Blue Mosque is renowned for its beautiful Scenic tiles, which blanket the interior in a sea of blue, giving the mosque its popular moniker. The Blue Mosque is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a place of spiritual significance for Muslims, with its main dome soaring high at 43 meters, symbolizing the heavens above. The mosque's courtyard, equal in size to the mosque itself, invites serenity with its cascading domes and arches. But what makes it a must-visit is the unique experience it offers, a blend of history, culture and spirituality, all under one magnificent roof. The Blue Mosque, a marvel of Islamic architecture, awaits your admiration. At number 8, we find ourselves at the historic Topkapi Palace. This opulent palace is more than just a beautiful architectural masterpiece. It's a tangible testament to the grandeur of the Ottoman Empire at its zenith. Sitting atop Istanbul's highest hill, it offers a panoramic view of the city and the Bosphorus. Imagine the sultans of yesteryears walking through its lavish courtyard, surrounded by ornate tiling and intricate archways. The palace, built in the 15th century, served as the political heart of the empire for nearly 400 years. It's where significant decisions were made, shaping the course of history. Today it houses priceless treasures, including religious relics, Ottoman jewelry and royal garments. The palace's grandeur and its rich collection offer a fascinating glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the Ottoman sultans. Topkapi Palace, a testament to Istanbul's regal past, is a sight to behold, a must-visit for anyone who appreciates history, art and architecture. Number 7 brings us to the vibrant Grand Bazaar. Stepping into this labyrinth of color and culture, you're immediately swept up in a whirlwind of sights, sounds and scents. The Grand Bazaar is not just a marketplace, it's an experience. Picture over 4,000 shops, each one brimming with a kaleidoscope of goods, from intricate Turkish rugs, ancient coins and hand-painted ceramics to aromatic spices, gleaming gold jewelry and vibrant textiles. The variety is simply astounding. Feel the pulse of this bustling hub as shopkeepers call out their wares and locals haggle with precision and flair. The air buzzes with the echo of centuries-old trading traditions, and every corner you turn reveals another treasure to be discovered. Navigating the maze of the Grand Bazaar is an adventure in itself, and the thrill of the hunt is part of the charm. And remember, bargaining is not just acceptable, it's expected. So put on your haggling hat and dive in. For a shopping spree like no other, make sure to visit the Grand Bazaar. At number 6, we venture into the mysterious Basilica System. Delve into the depths of Istanbul's history as we explore this ancient subterranean structure. Built in the 6th century during the reign of Byzantine Emperor Justinian I, the Basilica System is a testament to the architectural brilliance of the era. This colossal cistern, capable of holding 80,000 cubic meters of water, once served as a vital water supply for the Great Palace of Constantinople. Its forest of 336 marble columns, each 9 meters high, creates an atmosphere of awe-inspiring grandeur. But there's more to this cistern than its impressive architecture. Whispers of mystery echo off its damp walls. Look for the 2 Medusa head column bases, their origin and purpose shrouded in enigma. Some say they were placed there to ward off evil spirits, while others believe they're remnants of ancient Roman buildings. The Basilica System, a place where history and mystery intertwine. Number 5 on our list is the picturesque Galata Tower. Standing tall in the district of Galata, this medieval stone tower is a beacon of Istanbul's rich past. With a history that dates back to the 14th century, it's a testament to the city's ability to blend the old with the new. Once a watchtower, the Galata Tower now offers a panoramic view of Istanbul that is nothing short of breathtaking. From the viewing platform, you can see the city's skyline with its domes and minarets, the Bosphorus Strait and the Asian side of Istanbul. Historically, it served as a strategic point for the Genoese colony and later as a prison, an observatory and even a fire lookout post. Today, it's one of the city's most popular tourist attractions. Whether you're a history buff or a lover of scenic views, the Galata Tower offers an experience that's as diverse as the city itself. For a bird's-eye view of Istanbul, Galata Tower is the place to be. Coming in at number 4, we have the aromatic Spice Bazaar. Picture this, a symphony of scents dancing in the air, rich, exotic, and utterly captivating. This is the Spice Bazaar, one of the largest bazaars in Istanbul, known for its tantalizing array of spices, teas, and sweets. As you wander through the maze of stalls, each turn brings a new sensory delight. You'll find a kaleidoscope of spices from all corners of the globe: fiery red paprika, golden turmeric, aromatic cumin, and many more. But it's not just about spices. The Spice Bazaar is a treasure trove of Turkish delights, dried fruits, nuts, and a wide variety of teas. Every step you take will lead you to a new discovery, a new aroma, a new flavor. It's not just shopping, it's an experience, a journey that tantalizes your senses and leaves you craving for more. A treat for all your senses, the Spice Bazaar is a must-visit. At number 3, we have the Scenic Bosphorus cruise. A voyage on the Bosphorus Strait is like taking a jaunt through time and space. This natural waterway, slicing through the heart of Istanbul, serves as a mirror, reflecting the city's past and present. As you glide along, you'll be treated to a panorama of Istanbul's lifeblood, its skyline. From Byzantine-era wonders to Ottoman architectural marvels, the skyline of Istanbul is a visual feast of centuries-old edifices interspersed with modern high-rises. You'll see the city's pulse in its bustling ports, the rhythmic dance of the ferries, and the ceaseless ebb and flow of life along its banks. Consider the Bosphorus cruise as a moving tableau of Istanbul's history and culture. It's a journey that sails through the city's heart, offering glimpses of its vibrant life and rich heritage. For a different perspective of Istanbul, embark on a Bosphorus cruise. Coming in at number 2, we have the opulent Dolmabache Palace. Nestled on the banks of the Bosphorus, this palace is a symbol of the decadence of the Ottoman Empire in its twilight years. It is a marvel of 19th century architecture, a blend of various European styles, yet undeniably Turkish. The interiors of Dolmabache Palace are nothing short of a visual feast. Each room is a spectacle in itself, lavishly adorned with gold and crystal. The ceremonial hall, with its gigantic crystal chandelier, the world's largest, is particularly mesmerizing. The palace's beautiful gardens are a tranquil retreat from the bustling city. Strolling through these well-manicured gardens, you can soak in the stunning views of the Bosphorus. The history of Dolmabache Palace is as intriguing as its architecture. It was the final residence of the Ottoman sultans and witnessed the transition of Turkey from a sultanate to a republic. Experience the luxury of Ottoman royalty at Dolmabache Palace. And finally, at number 1, we have the Grand Süleymaniye Mosque. Seated atop the third hill of Istanbul, this majestic structure is a testament to the architectural brilliance of Mimar Sinan, the chief Ottoman architect. The mosque, with its 4 minarets reaching for the heavens and a central dome that seems to float effortlessly, is a marvel of symmetry and balance. Within its walls, there's an air of tranquility that offers a soothing respite from the bustling city outside. The mosque is not just a place of worship, but a complex housing a library, a hospital and schools, showcasing the holistic approach towards community development during the Ottoman era. Its rich history dates back to the 16th century during the reign of Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent. The mosque is named after him and serves as the final resting place for both the Sultan and his beloved wife, Hürrem Sultan, the Süleymaniye Mosque, a symbol of Istanbul's spiritual heart. And there you have it, the top 10 must-visit places in Istanbul. We've journeyed from the majestic Hagia Sophia through the vibrant Grand Bazaar to the aromatic Spice Bazaar. We've admired the icons of history at Topkapi Palace, Blue Mosque and Süleymaniye Mosque. We've delved into the mysterious Basilica System, ascended the picturesque Galata Tower and sailed on a scenic Bosphorus cruise before ending at the opulent Dolmabache Palace. So when you find yourself in Istanbul, make sure to tick off these incredible places from your list. Until next time, safe travels.